Midwest Maintenance was tasked with restoring 3 large ground storage tanks, each 72 feet wide and 32 feet high, in just 6 weeks. With only tough-as-nails mill scale remaining, the team needed to move fast. Traditional blasting methods weren't going to cut it. Leveraging technology to their advantage, Midwest Maintenance opted for using VertiDrive, a robotic magnetic crawler designed for vertical surface blasting. The result? The project was completed in 4 weeks, 2 weeks ahead of deadline, with a 30% reduction in abrasive usage, consistent surface profile with less need for rework, and 37,000 square feet blasted to SP6 and primed in just 15 days. And if that's not enough, here's what Mike Hengen, Senior Project Manager for Midwest Maintenance, had to say.
Everyone at Blast made the process seamless, and we were up and blasting in no time. The adjustability of the robot made achieving the right profile and blast simple. We were able to significantly increase productivity due to the VertiDrive not needing a break. Without blinking an eye, we would definitely use it again.
If VertiDrive was able to do this for Midwest Maintenance, just imagine how we could help with your next project.